Good morning, students. Today we'll study the 5th chapter of your maths book, The Way the World Look. In this chapter, we will study how the different objects look when we see them from top, from bottom, from front, from back or from side. Content of the lesson is very interestingly described through Gappu's air journey. Gappu is a small mouse. One day he saw children playing with the huge gas balloon. So he also decided to play with the gas balloon. When the children went to school, he just picked the string of the balloon and you know, whenever we buy a gas balloon, it has tendency to go up. So Gappu also go up with the string of the balloon and he has reached the top of the ceiling of the room. You can see in the picture. Gappu is seeing the blades of the fan from the top and he is saying, oh, there is so much dirt on these blades. From below they look so clean. And we have been asked to draw blades of the fan when we see them from below. So I have drawn like this. You can also draw in your style. Now Gappu is looking down. He could see the bed, the chair, one table with book on it and the other table with a bottle and a jug, fruits, etc. See how the room is looking when the Gappu is watching it from the top. Just then a strong wind pushed the balloon out of the room. As he went higher, he could see sweet shop and roads and track of railway. And also a Gurdwara he is seeing from the top. All these are looking so small. These cars and buses look so small from here, just like toys, and people look like ants. Gappu is saying, wow, is that the train looking like a long box from here? Just then there was a loud sound and the balloon burst. Gappu started falling down and down. Now the things started looking bigger. This is how he saw the railway track from the above. And this is the railway track when Gappu when he is actually sitting on the track. Students, whenever we see the things from the front end, they look bigger and the farther end looks smaller. This is the top view of a girl in yoga pose. See, the girl has used her right hand and the leg we can see that is also right leg. So we have to match with all these 4 poses, which pose is exactly matching the given pose. In these two, she is using her left hand, so possibility of these 2 picture is बिल्कुल नहीं है इनकी possibility, but we can see these 2 they look somewhat correct, but only one is correct. So we can say the last one, it is correct because the way she has bent her leg, it is possible that this picture is right picture. Yes, this is the right picture. These are 2 different views of the same bowl. This is picture 1 and this is picture 2. We have to answer in which photo are the bowls upside down. Obviously it is picture 2. Next question is, draw lines to match the side view with the top view. So this is the side view of a funnel and this is the side view of a tunnel and this is the top view. So we will match these, and this is the top view of a pipe and this is the side view of a pipe. So I have matched both the views. Here is a big picture of the park behind Gappu's house. So you look at the picture and answer the question. First question is, mark the gate nearest to the sweet shop. So this is the sweet shop and the gate is A. So the correct answer is A. Next question, which gate is nearest to the Gappu's house? This is Gappu's house and the gate nearest to it is C. So the answer is C. Gate C. Next question. If you enter from gate B, the green bench will be to your left, right or front. This is gate B, and if we enter from the gate B, as it is quite obvious, the green bench is on the left side. Next question. When Suhasini entered the park, the flower bed was to her right. Which gate did she enter from? सुहासिनी किस गेट से एंटर करे कि जो उसका जो फ्लावर बेड है वो राइट साइड पे हो. दिस इज द फ्लावर बेड. स्टूडेंट, इफ सुहासिनी इज एंटरिंग फ्रॉम गेट ए, द फ्लावर बेड विल बी ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. बट इफ शी इज एंटरिंग फ्रॉम गेट डी, द फ्लावर बेड इज ऑन द राइट साइड. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज गेट डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ दीज इज nearest to you if you enter from gate C? This is gate C, and if we enter from gate C, of course this is seesaw, so seesaw is nearest gate C. Srijita has to go to Ismail's house, and Ismail has drawn this route map and also telling that from your house reach the milk booth. This is Srijita's house and this is milk booth. He is telling that from your house reach the milk booth and then take a left turn. From the second crossing, take a right turn and go over the bridge. So you can see like this. She is taking left turn and then right turn to cross the bridge. And he is writing that from the bridge then take first right turn. So it means from the bridge, if she is taking right turn, she will go like this, but there is no house on this right turn. Something wrong he has written. She will have to take left turn rather. Student, this is a picture of dice with which you play Ludos, and let me tell you that the opposite faces of this box, number on the opposite faces of this box added up to 7. Means if it is 1 on the top, the bottom will be 6. 1 plus 6, 7. And you can see 5 from the side, and the other side will be 2. And on the front, number is 4, and the opposite side of 4 will be 3. So only then number will be add up to 7. Friend, this was all about this lesson. Now you are seeing this is a top view of a classroom. Do you remember your classroom? So imagine and draw the top view of your classroom. Thank you. Stay safe.